Hello guys and welcome to the lab. This is the lab. This is the place that we're going to be doing this new series in. And this new series is called the what did I call it again? Mod Madness, that's right. I called it Mod Madness because in this I'm going to be doing a lot of modded stuff. I'm going to be going through and having a go at a bunch of mods. And yeah, that's basically it. So let's start out with today's mod. As you may notice, the sky looks a little bit strange. It's all foggy and strange and peculiar. And that is because I have... What's going on? Wait, hang on. I think something's going to happen in a sec. But anyway guys, that is because I have installed a weather mod, which changes the weather, and yeah. So let me show you what it can do. Let me just remove all these blocks, because these are the blocks I was using to build that thing over there. In fact, okay, maybe not. Anyway, so this is called, what is it called? I forgot. Well, this is basically just a weather mod. Let's just leave it at that. And these are the items you get. You get a tornado sensor, a tornado siren, a wind vane, a weather forecaster, a weather machine, which we will be using, a weather deflector, and an anemometer. Now, this is the main block we're going to be using, because this is what creates all the different types of weather you can get. So I'm going to do this away from here, because there's a few of these weather types that get kind of messy. So I notice there's a mountain over here. Let's do it on top of this mountain. So there are, I think there's 6 or 7 different settings on this, ranging from rain through to tornadoes. So let me just put this here. Right now it's snowing. That's because if we come out here, it's raining. That's coming from that thing. It's setting this whole world to rain right now. Now if we want to do something different, all we have to do is right click. Now it's set it to lightning, and our lightning should appear around the place. Once I stop lagging, I can show you. And where are you? There was a flash before. Come on. There you go. Lightning. Now, if we want to make it a little worse, we just right click again, and now we've got high wind, which just pushes all the particles all over the place, and there is no control over them whatsoever. Now, if we want to go even worse, we right click, and now we get hail, which does all the before effects, but, hang on, this lags me every so often. But if I go into game mode survival, every so often I'll get damage from hail if it lands on me, or maybe not. Now the other thing you notice is that it's spinning slightly, and that's because of the next thing that we can do, which is, I'm just going to switch back to creative for this, because it gets kind of messy, which is F1 tornado. Now this is a force 1 tornado, which just pulls everything out. It just lifts blocks out of the ground. Now it's not strong enough to lift these blocks out, I think, and none of these will ever move this block. This block is permanent. Let's try this. Let's go for the big one. This is the biggest one. This is the one that this wrecks everything. And here we go. Stage 1 tropical cyclone. Now watch. Come on. Is it working? Don't think it is actually working here. Oh look, there you go. But guys, let me just move this. That should kill off the, yeah, there you go. It's killed off the high wind and thunderstorm and everything. Let's do it over here instead. This is where you'll see the most effect. So, as I was saying, let's put it down and let's just go lightning, normal, high wind. It's very strong. In fact, it doesn't really do anything to the brain. And then hail, and then we get to the big stuff. There you go. That looks more effective. You see, it's literally pulling the blocks away from the trees. It's pulling all these blocks away. And if I go into game mode survival, I get swept up in it, which is not fun. And then of course we switch it to the stage 1 tropical cyclone, and things just go even worse. It just gets even worse. And I'm just going to switch to survival. Wait. It's easier if you're standing on like this. And look at the moon. It's so dusty through all that. So, I get chugged up with it. And there's a point where you start falling down, which I don't want to actually die in. So let me just go boom. And it just drops you back down. It just does that so every so often. And it's not really doing anything else. It's pulling up all the entities. Like that pig's just flying. And there's a sheep up there and a cow and a bunch of other stuff. If we go up to the top part, whoops. They're about at one, let's see. Look at that pig. He's like, I don't want to be here. So if we go on to the same level as him, that's just about level. So he came up to about 170 blocks up. So that is quite high for this. And it is pulling blocks out of the ground too. I mean, this was all dirt before, and now it's just messed up. And you got, look, like, did you see that pig? That pig just is awesome. But guys, whoa, what is that? What is this? I don't even know. But guys, let me just kill this storm. That's pretty much what you can do with the wind machine. These clouds are really high up. You can actually go into them. Like, man, let me get there. There we go. Now we're in the clouds, which is pretty cool. But if I drop back down, I haven't completely finished this, by the way. It's not fully done, so don't worry. Oh gosh, look at this. That's a naturally made. Wait, what? Yeah, they do come naturally. They do spawn naturally. Every so often they just happen. But look how awesome that looks. Wait, let me just change this. Video settings, let's put it on 8. And let me just performance, okay. Compatibility. Lock vanilla with nope. You can change all this stuff, so you can set it to like 3 storms per player. So there's always 3 storms coming. Chance of storms, chance of rain, block destruction, and then yeah, that's. And you can turn it on in all places, so you get like nether stuff and all that sort of things. But guys, let's just have a look at the weather stuff. Let me. I think I might actually have my volume down, which is not right. Yeah, I do. So, let me just. You can hear the sounds now. That's a lot better. But let's just take some of these out and. In vain, weather forecaster. That's what we just had, so we don't need that. So, our first block, which is the one we just put down. So this controls all the weather and everything. Now I'm not going to keep it there because you can do some bad stuff. This, I think you can like. Whoa, typo here. Tornado sensor. This, I don't know what this does. What is it again? Tornado siren. So, I think if a tornado is going to happen, and you can also go like this. Wow. Oh, cool. So I think, let me just say this outside. So this is a wind vane. So it's basically tells you which way the wind is going. So if I put it up here, it's going to change direction. That's pretty cool. Let me just break this. We don't want to leave any blocks. Oh look, there's even a random block of stuff over here. So it looks like there's something forming up there. But we'll have to have a look at that later. Now we also have a weather forecaster. So it's telling us what's going on. So there's wind particles 2,300 something. Wind angle clouds 18. It's just little stuff. And then we have the weather deflector, which, alright, come on. Oh look, there's even a. Wait, so that's where we are, and that's a tornado. So let's go have a look at this. So this is what it is. So this is a naturally made tornado. It doesn't look that powerful just yet. Maybe it's building. I don't know, look. There's a block over there. There's blocks, there's this full. So let's head back to this place. So it gives you like a little area view of what you have nearby. So that cyclone is moving away. Is that even no, that's just lightning. Okay, so if I don't know whether I should do this, but if I place this down and then trigger it, there we go. Oh, and there you go, the siren went as well. So no damage actually happened, but that was pretty cool. Actually, let's see how much damage we can get to this place. Let's just have a test run. This is going to be really bad, but let's just do this. Now it shows up in here. Should. And there it is. And then check this out, let's check what it's doing. Wow, look at all these clouds, they're flying all over the place. it's done nothing to the actual structure just yet, but I think it might be building. Those are really nice. Oh look, the glass is getting broken up. Hang on, let me just turn down the music and sound. That's really annoying. I'm gonna turn that. Right. Yeah, there we go. So it does fences, it does glass, but it doesn't seem to do quartz blocks. So that's basically all the Wither mod does. I also have saved a copy of this map, just so you guys know. So guys, yeah, the text is kind of messy right now. I don't know what's going on with my forge, but it's messing up my texture totally. I hope you guys don't mind. It looks like I'm a floating dude. I'm a spirit. But guys, I just wanted to use this episode to tell you a bit about what's going to happen in this. Show you that awesome mod, and yeah, that's about it. Let's just check out this thing as well. Looks like it's building up quite a bit of damage. But guys, also the other thing I wanted to let you guys know is that this map is also going to be used for one other new series, and that series is going to be a redstone series. So I'm going to do little things like I'm going to maybe like make a redstone contraptions. It's just going to be redstone contraptions basically. That's what it's going to be. And yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, then leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. And if you and yeah, I'll see you in the next episode, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you guys. Bye.